buried it.
Good, because I'm scared of these things. Dead things make me get scared.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Are you looking to buy electric garden shredder? You probably will also wondering if it's worth the effort and the money. In this video, I will answer those questions from my experience. First of all, if you have a massive tree like this, which you need to keep it under control, then the answer is yes, you do need a garden shredder. The one I bought is coming from McAllister MIS 2500 corded impacted shredders at B&Q. It only cost me £78. Let me make it simple. The reason that I bought this machine is because at that time it was the cheapest I could find online. It was under £100 and I bought it in 2019. In my local area, the council charged £60 per year to collect garden waste. A shredder roughly cost 2 years council collection fee. As long as it lasted for more than 2 years, I think this money is well spent. What do you think? I found it's not only that save money to buy a shredder, it also have a lot of benefit to keep your own shredded garden waste. They are great for making compost. Oh, by the way, check my compost made easy video to have a look how I do my compost for a starter. Alright, let's have a look at the basic operation. For cutting, plug in the electricity, turn on the machine, and here we go. I would also like to give you some tips from the experience that I used this shredder. Tip number 1. For large branches, cut the side shoot first to make it easier to insert into the hole. Tip number 2. Sometimes the leaf will stuck inside. Just need to use a small twigs to dig it out from the bottom. Tip number 3. In the worst scenario, if the machine stuck and stopped running, you can easily open it to clean the insect manually. Of course, do not forget to turn the power off first. You can see the blade inside, and you can also see the bottom, all the shredded leaves going down to that narrow hole at the bottom. No wonder it is sometimes get stuck inside. So after the cleaning, just need to turn the blue knob clockwise until it's tightened. Then you're ready to use it again. So here we come. Let me show you again. Oh, I forgot to mention, don't forget to wear your gloves and safety goggles when doing such thing.
The machine is great, it's very compact for a small garden and it's great to use for ladies. That's all about today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.